yogo korenga na kumanyumu chandu.
Kwa majina bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira chishilingi chimia isano na Isato nemeronge tano na boige setingima ase chishilingi liweyemo ne chimia isano ase ofa babuate etaraera.
Milango yetu iko wazi kutoka Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 11 jioni na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Nigo bare angene supermarket ya Shivling na KCB Bank imeyumu chukisi na boko bakire simi ase namba enoti eyemo enoti isano marakabire enoti eyemo. Spexels Opticians, Goodka Clinic, macho bora kwa wote. Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwaho ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio bwikere abarigereria kuruchi county sana na ibire echo kira sorogonko rwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti isano na ibire inya Isato isano nemo ibire Isato isano na ibire eyemo elio togwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echo kira nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe kwikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okogenda kujya ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitari cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igogobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares buna chising chibakurichete cyo chonsi showers, towel holders, soap dishes, racks, mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer na boigo chiriche spray paints no chire mbabwate chipboard buna chips and boards, MDF boards na chip boards. Hebinto au bio gukora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chigulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers. Banyore old Sansura building angena Kisii main bus stage gusua kesimi ase namba enoti isano na ibire eyemo kianda inye isano enoti inye isano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mono na ndo mwanchi umurigereria kero kuro kwigena kwa nemna nogenderete kwego kyaso kubwate mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo mugusi cyaragire Chinsa Isato cyabona mugoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia ironkumanya ina kwariganirie asenchera ire yubikiranu litanganike gima tigaturanya rega tyari ngo ariganirete asenchera yubenge.
Ere tuwa muata soka tuanzi pipa tomanye lazima ipale rosibu. Omwe misiya kata tomanye tire ere tuwa soka lazima tomanye.
Abamenyi badaraja mbili korobekana korera barayi kubaroserie pari yo yaberege saregeta segeka.
Ana kubakire skuru yawo tema chuna chini korera abana abo inspection isay
abaorokia koboru akobatuka boikiranu abana chinga kibakoira na chiskuru ekero yarokanire buna banke babo nigo bakoimuke binyuwa byo gotindia.
We now have 22 MOUs, the largest memorandum of understanding with any country.
Ubwa matobuya egatie Chinsa murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto kwene kiabunense ya Kenya yabekire Kisii chobwa matobuya ne Chinsa chinde. Ayo manaenda mange ya sentra yobwekira nungo kwarigania airiongo manye karango konyore mna sensemo ya Facebook nigora gendere gotonyora wetira Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabo gotwitwetira @Ndizi TV News erio togendere gosanga nabo igo kwemanya amanke eritaria ne Everline Osero tokubwatira na nere Joshua Auta kwene kiago ikeire asensemo yebimanyererio gokwarigantia chaka sentra ya bene korwase county ya Kisii awaso mugavana we county ya Kisii kubwatirana no mukonyo ye Robert Munda litukoria leba ba kubwatoka chibesa cyabakora imirimo bense mu yobo chinwa se binyorogo se community health workers abo babiri bakorera asege getambe ase ugutakanwa akero mukora imirimo nigo anyora chiringi chirwinye ase barenge abakora imirimo chirwibere chimiki andana 40 egentu baba kworokia omogoko abarayabo nigo bari irayo cyakogendera kubakana chibesa cyabo eri ko bakonya kuikirania obokoreri burobya murikito Mildred Momanyi no roboti urwaso kuikirano
Etengo ewiriato nigubene kigwa imeyegeti kya Gusii Stadium imeye county ya Kisii maiga y'abanyagitari bari bakwerwa ase binyoroba manyekaine buna community health promoters chiri buibere chimya kyanda na 40 kurwa ase chibunge chonsi imeye county abo babeire bagokora egasi yo kwerwa batari gwakanwa asenga kentambe kwegwa chiri bu inye kero oyomo no mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba arati ejo kirachi kobakonya kugura nonya na mache chinga kibagokora egasi yabo.
Today at this big event of my community health promoters in the whole county, the 45 wards, who totalize to 2,940 of them. We decided as a government, as it has been also the calling of the national government, to give them stipend. The stipend that we have given them, again, they'll be added from the national government, from the Minister of Health. A promise that I made at the campaign time, I've fulfilled. I've released this stipend for January and February. And again, I'm going to give them for, it's going to be a continuous exercise.
Nigo omugavana atebire buna nachikogenda kubakana aseboigo arwa eira yokuba ebintu binde bire birachikobakonya gukora emirimo yabo keboikeranu.
Endeavoring to make available of other tools of work. That includes gumboots, jackets, umbrellas, when they are moving from one compound to another, to supervise and check that we have a healthy community at level 1. These are the first line of defense in health matters. I'm happy that now I'm going really to understand what is the situation of health issues in my constituencies and as well in my wards as a whole county.
Boigo nigo omwaziri w'obochenulea ogega akira omugavana mbuyamono asenera teba chibisa chire chikurwa ase serikali yanene ase gati ya chiria banyora chirasoe ase NHIF.
Kama sisi leo kwa kaunti yetu government ya Kisii tunawalipa 2,000 kama stipend, alafu kuna 500 ambayo inatakikana kuwa ya NHIF, so in total ni 2,500 because tuna retain 500 kwa NHIF. The national government is doing the same. Inalipa hiyo kiwango tumelipa ambayo ni 2,500, 500 inakuwa retained and then they get 2,000. So in total watapata 4,000, national government ikiweza kulipa the same amount that tumeweza kulipa.
Ase chinga kecho abakori emirimo abo borokia omogokobo maiga yokonyora chibese cho ase chisimi cyabo nigobalia eira yogocha kogendera gwetuma ase gasi yabo.
Angalau tumeenda muda mrefu, lakini siku ya leo imetimia ya kwamba hata message ndio hii mimi naonyesha ya kwamba nimepokea shilingi 4,000 pesa za miezi 2 kutoka Stanbic, ambayo vile gavana alisema hivi tulianza kupata hizi hela kila mtu. Kwa hivyo hata sisi tumeahidi ya kwamba tukienda pale mashinani tunaweza kufanya kazi vilivyo ili tusaidie mortality rate katika kupale mashinani.
Kuripotelia Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mbia mono murikeito Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti ururukiranu okongusana nago sekurtarana manganani go kwarokanire koenekiwa gati umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati no mochumbe we bungia South Mugrango Silvanus Osero anene kubwatikana no gosie kwa kwenya gitari ya nduru level 4 asibono nyagitari ya bireke gosie kwa asegeka kubwatikana nengusana ya betege koenekiwa chinga kia mashini arenge kunganywa sense Chase chinsemo chia keumbu lwana nigo Simbarati abereka we sokia nago kana chingume chigenderete kolariwa buna nere siegete gitari yo entaganire ngane yabeke gokorerwa obotuki nero mochumbe Osoro nigabeire ka kuboria bamenyi bechinsemecho kwena kyabuna ati bari wakana ebango kwekenya gitari ge kuigurwa buna tokumanywa
magega yenya gitari ya nduru gosie kwa ekere mashini ya static ya chete kunganyirwa kurwa ororo na koreta liberera litindi bono nigo enya gitari yo yabereke gosie kwa asegeka asebono umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati aisokirie na gukana chingume cyo cyabere chigweta buna nere osigete enya gitari yo.
It's unfortunate that now is a month that Nduru hospital has not been open simply because of the police. They were unable to arrest the perpetrators of violence, which was meant to our doctors. Over time I've asked the doctors to go back, but they are fearing for their lives because some of them indeed were hurt in the fracas which ensued in Nduru hospital. And it's not new as close the Nduru. It's the union.
Omubunge bwenseme yo Silvanus Osoro asensemo yaye nigo akanire bororonga mashine yo teligo chakurwa ororo asarenge na yaiga.
Totagete kuipichinya gitari chetu chionzipi. Gavana akogora chi mashine kirasi. Eye niga yagore tuna World Bank. Na yagenda oligi World Bank egorere keumbu. Oligi World Bank egorere nyamache kosandons eye World Bank yegaje kagora chi machine yechi nane mawata banga chi machine yechi ibere bakongo boyo ne jieito ni ibere jire akire jieito abarwire na bako baikomirimo naende onye chire ibere mutagete tunyorebe mo bakongo boyo lakini ntobwarinya gitari emo
umugavana nere asensemo yaye nigatebire engane yo nigere yage siasa asaborie abanyanyimbo gutukengane yo asoboime.
It won't be accepted, not in this society, not anywhere, that people, a politician, simply because he believes that he's in government. Therefore, what I want to ask again is that yes, if it's a selective justice you want to give the Kisii people, we may end up to ask the national government to either withdraw from Kisii and we man our businesses as it fits for us.
Omubunge bwenseme yo asensemo yaye nigatebire onyenya gitari yo teligo chikoigurwa nigo abarwire barachikurigererigwa na kwegwo obugweni asetinya gitari chire ange aseboigo atebire uchire nenchira abarwire barakonyeke
bone ngende twamwire okoba nyamarambe mwasikikire abarwire mbari konya banarite nyamarambe twaboigorera gakirindi kiga twarusiye abanyagitari abandi tabaka abandi development abandi abana baitonkaga abari doctor ba voluntary bachirega toncho irobisi yeito yabere e clinic oriogoja no mutuko muati nenda mariyo kana arona iru nabasani koru Nairobi nechi company cie serikali batoire akorwarigu aigweriogo omututige komuati
ase chinga kecho nigo omubunge bwenseme yo aborie omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati guchigotara goika asenseme yo kurigereria enseme yo aseboigo atebirenga abamenyi bensemo yaye tibali gochigwakana ebango ekoika enyagitari yo yaigweirwe
yogo ndugu koregasi abagirange bakoboriga omugavana uri twakerete kuranga yare ngi ataratirara no nduru wanja tutairi kuigora ngi utaratira no rora na kire erete inchuri abantu inchuwa mambi abantu ba kugija toza kubuli machine eritokwerwari echo goteyo gase ekiagere tokwerwari echo goteyo ga nyamarambe bogirange ngima chichiro chionzi
kuripotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred mumanyi
Mbia mwana wa Mildred asoroboti oro ikirano tugotikana nayo nigo abamenyi bensemo ya daraja 2 memochi obosongo anene bali bagutumika para ya daraja 2 gocha ishirikisho nigo litkoria rero baba weso kya na kwemurungania asibakorokorobekana askeri batane pale inembe etariweteka nabona nigo barokana komochi abara ya sote na nigo batari kubaikiraniria amagendro gintu baburire pare yebege koroswa erioko baroberi obosombi na boigo obonchoreria muriketo ndemo Stephen Namanke.
Obosombi nigo bwale maligwa separe kurwa daraja 2 gocha shirikisho n'ensemo ya Jokville engaki abamenyi besoke na kurubikana askeri bagoteba ne pale yukwe bwasege kegetambe.
Lere tuamwaso abomo lazima tosoke to andamane lindo torosere kwe pale duki ka obere ka to tebinga mata to manyeti lere tuasoka lazima duki ato manye Ntoko bakera litu ko aba subatu bete bakonyora bana para tuabune kira magoro kwani toka bebe meke nyoreke gima rere tuasoka lazima
pare geto chande to kulu daraja 2 otire Jokville otinde kona mbaya pare gerembe aba subati bono igomno yo mona nyorero mwana para ngakitoko kora tuete to ikachana to nyora bana bono igaba muramwanzi baumire magondo yabu aba muraba umire magongo basubati babatamire ngakitoko
Chimi tanke igo kurwe pare yo naro nige daraja rene yenseme yo sarigete yu ya ira bamenyi benseme yo muchando bwo korondia Chinsa mochiare konyorobo koderia sengenche daraja yo terigweteka
Bonige tore daraja ga daraja korukorbo songo paka shirikisho gwete rorabantu mna bakorukor ngumbwari mbali konyara gutambuka goche ngumbwe chi daraja eji nche no muntu oyomo obete affected ase daraja embe behind Steven's Hotel mayaga we daraja nero egotenga baminto gake mutago toigwa mna mbatebete babeke daraja yechi chuma baminto erebuya kuserebu
Nenyiko ogatochaete ngota otagotokonyere gasi otochaete bono bosininki nona baraibande chikura chielire ndocho moraye president kurwa akere chikura uchakire gasi yae taba chupagusi ainingo bwate chuki na bantu tarikokora bantu bashirikisha gotana toba maiti
nigo baganirio mu MCA okitutu Central Ward Duke Nyarango konyara weso kina kweyero korosibwa we para ne daraja ye
Gaki toigwe chi daraja eji rode daraja ekoruga kwenda bosongo paka shirikisho gwete pi ligerie daraja toko soera roche bantu mbali kwenda gutacha mache.
Nimependa kwenda hapo lakini siwezi enda hapo sababu nikipanda pikipiki nasikia mgongo inavunjika. Mimi nimekuwa nikipita hapa kwa hii daraja kwenda pale Bosongo Hospital lakini nji kueta kwa sababu hakuna daraja. Simba ayeno mundomu ya kaki tuone huruma Mungu. Tuone tu huruma hata wamama kama sisi wenye tuko na mimba hata utuone tu. Mimi nimesimama hapa kama mama tuone huruma.
So we are appealing to the MCA. Aiche mbako hororo within 48 hours. Arigelie daraja yeju na andanyeroso. Ntoto tati mangana si mambo na siasa, ni mambo na maendeleo. Tunakujua kwa bere miaka 5. Ne miaka 10 ochiko babon. Nkigwa tokoremu na abantu bakitutu Central Ward.
Aiga na separe daraja 2 shirikisho RS wodere pia sense moye county ya Kisii ward ya kitutu Central la wasa menyi benseme banyarire gwesoke na utendio boso bia sechinga kichinyinge cheri tukolia rero asiba boliro mu MCA bwenseme ye Duke Nyarango mera kwane kibuno bekire mero bire kwane kune epare ye nene RSNC be banyarire ko bage ko sune nyare ko bage korro bio bosombi asenseme ye reporteria Ndizi TV korwaiga sekitutu Central Ward kitu chache South area tariane Ndemo Stephen
Miamono murikeito Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti urwekera bonoria swali tukoria kabere asaboroki wakwira nase chisukuru ase tamu ya kabere kolengana ne kalenda ya masomo nigo aboroki ababire bakuburiwa kwene kya mnango ligereria bare aso bwekirano binda boroki wane ne bamenyete ase usibale ase chisukuru choboraro bakwimokia go cyase chisukuru ayangorengana na Charles Nyakoe oyoromo bisabwe umbeki okorwania bare gotinde kya nakada oyotebire buna aboroki wa banke nigo chinga kinyinge bakwimokia amaryo yo gutindya go cyase chisukuru egento gekuba chinga ngunonye ase amasomabo muri kyoito job mangi nabakagusanganere
Maiga yo gutabokia umutimoko omoke bw'ekiwiki ibere nigo chisukuru kigendetse koigorwa na borokyo goikirana ase chisukuru. Omoteneneri bw'ekiombe gekorwania amariogo yogotindi ase county Nyamira Charles Nyakoe na ichanera egatia borokigwa bagoswa chisukuru na amariogo yogotindi.
Nyore riposi inga abana abange kabagenoki ase chisukuru cyabo nigo bakogenda bagenda n'amariogo gotindia buna kinyasole nonye n'amariogo ande nare ekikoni ni agotindia. Amariogo aya ande ake bari mu manya ucyusi y'abana aba bagutumia abana be bakubisa amariogo aya buna kinyasole basi kabisa cyaba buno bosie ekinde bari cyabo n'ibitamuta mugera inciro isirita yari bakora baboneriwa basona kirosyo cy'isukuru.
Aboroke nigo basabira uko bamaiso ekera aboroki wabagoswa ase chisukuru elinde ko batanga goswa chisukuru na amariogo yogotindi nebinto bitancheiri.
Abana abu inspection isaine no ena abana kinyaruka ekera ndwata abarimu abasubati ira abana abu kirumu genda bacheki kapise ekiyagera tali mwana mu rwego okutumia amariogo gotindia no ena abana kinyaruka rero no bubale mu madani abamura bacheki neriyo ramanye ngabona abantu bwate na abana bali buya abana bali sifu.
Asate ba amariogo yogotindi nigakwirera aboroki ogotwara chimbwa chimbe na gukora ebinto bitancheiri
ase chiskurume mutamanye because onye muri gukora au butukiwe ino boisaine moko batiga bagoswa igo tu mutabachegeti teguri koswa na amariogo ayo without ukumanya kwa ino ama tukamba kwanya ng'abana bazi bakore ibintu bitagwenete.
Narwa esegeto gocha sabaiboli kubwaterana na aborokia erinde gokinia aborokigwa asenchira endonge.
Abaiboli tiamate biga abana aba baito nabangeni gotubwa igo konyora omwana oye kero kana ngana niko iguru ngose kuri school gusogwatira muri school utinde school takuminyoka genda ngora oye wo mwereke uno mwana atwita muri ugutindie kiagera imbaroro bakwire baoneria abande ayenga no muri jetali gutumia lakini ekara kire school ni garo umutumikia muri ugutindia
Korende nonya nigo abaiboli baborokyo bali batwalire enaro yo kunywa amariogo yogotindi mbasa bakurigie obokonyi kurwa saba semia
boli ayo mkwaro ringa omwana ndake obeire ya tumia amariogo gotindia ntore free injipa kwa obisito etoko mokolela counseling and guidance ntobwata abantu bwate choose you just come you are free ototebye onye ne school reta abana onye no muiburi onye no muntu omonene ubwata obokongu buno obu sirutiga amarwa sirutiga sole ntobwate abanyagitari baito na inda amariogo naro akwewa asibia ebintu biri kuri omubere atatwalira.
Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbia muno Job Maangi asoroboti ururukira nukuru ase county ya Nyamira tugutikana nayo nigo murayiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto abakago chaka bene taro ya matukabere ase ense ya Israel okwana chinga kya umerana no murayiwense yo Isaac Azog nigo ba kwanira mangana au ayo arengete ogotinya obwa matobu ya egatie chinsechi anene wekinya asense moyo bonchorere egati ya yande amange negetambukiro boigo kyago kerwa no murayiwense yo asata nigo bago cyakubwatana na Kenya eri kwene kyabunangwe kina barasense mu yobonchorera oburendi nabo igo obutumiki bwecinchera cyekerero muri kito dipo nasanya no robot yorwaso wime.
Omuraiwense ya Kenya William Ruto amona First Lady Rachel Ruto nigo bakoreta aro yabo bene asense ya Israel tukulia lero eliogo sanga enkwana yobu amatobu ya gatiense ya Kenya amonense ya Israel
and the people of Israel to reiterate our long-standing relations between our two countries, which you have ably spoken to, and to assure you that my visit to Israel is part of the consolidation of our relationship. long-standing, fruitful, mutually beneficial relationship. We have a great history together.
kusangano murai wense ya Israel Isaac Herzog Ruto nigateba nganta yarare kubwatirana elio gusanga chinchera cyo gukinia uchumi yense ya Kenya ngwetero kubwatirana n'abamanyi bense ya Israel.
That needs investment and cooperation, and I am very confident that Israel can share with us your experience and work with your technology and work with your expertise in that space. And of course, on matters to do with security, and we also want to see how we can bring the private sector into this space.
Umurai wense William Ruto ni garu okoboko kubwatirana ne serikali yense ya Israel elio gotwara oboncherio buya bitango binde bitaiyo.
By allowing them to trade, to do business, to invest without unnecessary restrictions, specifically on the subject of avoidance of double taxation.
Murai wense William Ruto bego nigenyoro wa mato bwebwa chagetwe elio litangani no murai wense ya Kenya omutangani omugaka Jomo Kenyatta.
Going back to 60 years, we always remember our first president, President Jomo Kenyatta, laid the foundation for the Israel embassy 2 days after our independence.
Amazing.
It was the first such event for any country, underscoring the relationship between Kenya and Israel that was there even before our independence.
Umurai wense ya Israel Isaac Herzog nere nigago kiretaro y'umurai wense ya Kenya William Ruto asate banga bone yenenga kingi ya yokubaterana anene mono gukinia obonchoreria nebinde binge elio koreta obwa matobuya.
We could do so much more in terms of business relations on all fields of agriculture, trade, science, and energy, and all other fields of joint cooperation. We are grateful to you for your friendship with us in the international forums, and we believe that the real story is to enhance the relations between our future generations and people to people on so many fronts. So thank you very much, and I hope you'll have a wonderful visit with us. We're your excellent team with your ministers who are here. Thank you.
Kuripoteria egetasini Ndizi TV kurose kaunti ya Kisii elitalia nendipon asanya.
Miyamono murikyoito dipona asanya ase oroboti orugo bano mwancho muligerere murai wense bayigona baga kumirana no prime cabinet secretary wense yo ya Israel Benjamin Netanyahu aseba kwanira mangana ao arene ayuarengetego kinya uchumi egati ye Chinsechi ibere togotana nayo nigo omowaziri wa mangana yo bonchoreria Moses Kuria are asensemo ya Indonesia somusangerekano bene bugo kwanira okobwaterana eriogo kinya amangana yo bonchoreria Kurio yoba gagoteba bunense ya Kenya negenderete waka egetambukiro kya magendero anena sense moyo bonchoreria nigo boigo aine kyabuna nigo berwete kigima asokubeke miroberie mekirano na Indonesia eryo wekinya.
Particularly looking to benchmark the issue of natural resources, especially on mining, and to congratulate and commend Indonesia for the step that you have taken to ensure that the Indonesian minerals and natural resources are processed and value added within Indonesia and not just as raw material for export. We are cognizant of the effort of Indonesia to create a coalition or sort of an alliance of countries with the same ideology in terms of how to manage the natural resources. And Kenya is available and ready to partner and work with Indonesia to create that south-to-south partnership in terms of management of natural resources. And that is why we are here to learn how Indonesia is doing it, but also to create partnership between Indonesian companies and government Kenyan companies and governments in the area of mining and exploitation of natural resources. Kenya is one of the market leaders in terms of geothermal, the second largest producer of geothermal, and we believe that Indonesia has got vast resources of geothermal, and we are here to see how we can be able to offer our experience and our expertise, given that Kenya, 92% of our energy.
Omuroberi obugo tindo kora emebere y'abantu korwa seri nani lyashaka hola imeye kaunti ya Kilifi nigo ogendererwa aseri tkoria rero awasumwaziri boburendi waime kidure kindiki hamwe n'ababusabande boburendi abarase Chinsa emecho ero kwene kyabuna omuroberi oyongo ikirani wore asenchera ebwenerate okwana chinga kyecho kindiki nigaene kyabuna litkoria rero nigo abago tindo kora emebere emeronke bere noyomo yugo ikera abantu gosemebere y'abantu emiye emeronge tatu na batata babago tindo korwa se ensemeyo abantu 550 nomo na batano nomo nigo baborete awase abantu babere bago konyeka weki umubaro w'abantu 50 nomo na batano abo babere bago konywa korwa se Chinsa emecho wekabono nigo abantu 25 babere bakubekwa byara achinga kikindi cyane kyabuna nigo bawucya kogenderera omuroberi oyo aweka abantu bonse babere bagotoka.
And then a few others, including one who died in hospital, and therefore the total number of bodies that were subjected to the post-mortem at the Malindi Sub-County Hospital were 112. All of the other agencies who have been here, as I told you last week, we have many teams here. The team that was overseeing the post-mortems for the first phase to join my colleagues who have been here all along. The team here led by the regional commissioner, the security members of the security and intelligence team from this region, this county and the sub-county, comes with one of the worst attacks our country has ever witnessed. I think, unfortunately, it is turning out that what we have here in Shakahola is one of the worst tragedies.
Abakagerwa babere bo bubewa nigo baba bakubekwa byara n'abanyanyimbo ase kaunti ya Baringo nebunduke yemo kobwatwa asensemo ya makutani imeye kaunti eyo chinga kyobonya byobotindi bwabere bogokorekana kubwatikana nobosagani nabayigo obwibi obwabere bokonekiwa ase Chinsa emecho kurengana n'omukomanda bw'abanyanyimbo bwensemeyo Julius Kiragu babere abo nigo babekwa byara emambya rero asinonya nabo omo county commissioner bwe county eyo Steven Kutuo aine kiabuna nigo bawo chakogendera kubeka oburendi ase Chinsa emecho nonya nabo babere abo nigo bakageire boigo kubwatira nasa mangana yo bwibi bw'echipikipiki egatiye bintu binde.
Usiku wa kuamkia leo tumeweza kwa ushirikiano na wananchi pamoja na afisa wetu tumeweza kukamata jambazi mmoja ambaye wamekuwa kihusika kwa visa mbalimbali ya wizi ya mifugo, haswa ile ambaye juzi mtu aliuawa na tukapoteza ng'ombe 77 kutoka jamii ya Tugen. Tulishika hapo awali mtu mmoja na huyu pia tumeweza kumshika ambaye pia alikuwa anahusika na hiyo maneno.
Kiiba hii mapikipiki aidha upande wa Baringo huku wanaenda wanauza Isiolo ama wanaweza kuuza upande wa Meru huko. Wakiuza hizo mapikipiki Isiolo wananunua risasi. Kwa hivyo yeye ni mmoja ya wale ambaye ni suspect ya wizi ya uzaji wa risasi pande ya tia.
Ebyombe ao byabangina korwase county ya Trans Nzoia ritkolia lero nigo baumerana asomusangirikano bwokorokia chinguru cyokore bintu ao munenchire yemo yo kubakonya barabwo kwegendereria okwana nigo barwesegeto yogosirana eryo kwegendereria ase okonyora engeria no musangirikano bayigo bagogoikiranwa no mugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembea oyo bagakoria ira yogochya kubasira chingaki abangina baboliwe kwene kyabunangwe yasoke bare nakobwatana mbe ao.
Sisi kama kina mama ndio tunapika kwanza, tunazaa wanaume wetu ambao wanashiriki katika conflict, tunawalea, tunawalisha. Ebu na mtujumuishe.
Fellow woman, shika mkono, usiwe chanzo cha kuangusha mama mwenzako tafadhali. In your own way, let us stand and support each other.
Leo tumepata entry point ya kufanya kazi na kaunti yetu. Si ni entry point nzuri sana. Wale ambao wanasema hatujui si huyu, hatujui chief officer huyu anakaa namna gani, hatumjui governor, deputy governor. Sasa leo tumewaangalia vizuri namna walivyozungumza, all of them are willing.
Go on a smartphone, go and look for opportunities. Angalia opportunities kwa hiyo smartphone yako, there are so many things. Unawacha mambo yanakupita hapa. Sasa hizi mimi vile mmesema, nimekuwa najiambia kwamba I need to form a team in my office kuhakikisha kwamba the 30% access to government procurement opportunities.
Ndio tushirikiane na hapa West Pokot ili tupeleke hii conference hapa West Pokot.
Wikirega bano mwanchi umurigere rinongo korira Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchira ere yobwikirano ekarongo wakirangambia mono asogochora kobananche nabali bonsto batoko bwaterana kweneke buna mwana wikira asenchira ere yobwikirano barabunigo ngo bakirangambia mono anene abasaki baito yorabuna semero berionsi ya Ndizi TV nabakondera otonyora sensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News eri togendere gosanga nabayigo kwemanya amanke eritariane Everline Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kweneke awikeire asensemo yebimenyererio nere Petronira Mukeira oyoneke abuna chibichanerio gichawikeire asenchira yabene twaro burigere liboro bya semero berionsi nabayigo butuko burobotoereru.